All right, so now let's talk about the blue. So blue, we're going to talk about this is going to be anything that's on the vehicle, right? So blue, next we just go right along onto the training itself. The first thing we're going to highlight in blue, underneath where brake contaminants were, we're going to highlight where it says traffic monitoring devices. That's another fancy name for mirrors. In the future, there might be some more trucks that are come online with cameras and stuff like that. So that's why they're changing that name. Next one is going to be battery. So it's very important that you highlight that. Next thing you're going to highlight is going to be fuel tank. Now in fuel tank, you're going to see there's two different types of fuel tanks. There's diesel fuel and then something called DEF. Some of our vehicles have it, some of our vehicles don't. When you get to the yard, we'll show you exactly what that looks like. You're also going to highlight where it says frame. And underneath frame, you're going to highlight where it says frame members, including the trailer, as you see there. And then next, we're also going to highlight lenses and reflectors. Okay? Now, if you're just doing a Class B manual or automatic vehicle, truck, this is all you're going to need for the blue section. If you're going to be doing a Class B bus for whatever reason, I want you to flip over to the next page, the last page on the pre-trip, and then you're going to see there's two more things we have to highlight because when it comes to buses itself. So you're going to have to highlight where it says back door, bus only. And then you're also going to have to highlight stop arm / safety arm, school bus only. So that's self-explanatory. If you have a bus, you're going to have to talk about any type of bus, talk about the back door. If you have a school bus or you're trying to get a school bus license, make sure that you have all the proper endorsements for that. Then you're also going to have to highlight stop arm, safety arm, and talk about that for the test itself, right? But as you see, the blue is pretty short, sweet, and to the point. If you're going to go for a Class B, whether it's bus or a truck, Class B, all you need is those three colors, which is going to be the green, the yellow, and the blue. If you're going to go for the Class A, continue on to the training because you need two more colors, which next one we're going to be talking about is pink. All right, so I'll see you in the next one.